It's time to announce the winners of the 3K sub challenge that I issued a few months ago. Now we've actually passed 4,000 subs now on YouTube, which is fantastic, but when did I do it? At the end of January, when we reached 3,000 subs, I issued a challenge to build a lightsaber for £20 or under, or the equivalent, which is about $25. I also did that challenge, and you can check out my take on the £20 lightsaber over here. But you guys had 2 months to build your lightsabers and submit your entries, and you did a fantastic job. We received quite a few entries, and yeah, I'm just very impressed by the amount of effort that you guys put in. Of course, we have to narrow it down to 3 winners, and there were 7 judges, including myself. You guys were judged on the aesthetic of the lightsaber, the materials that you used, and the creativity of the photo you submitted with. Unfortunately, there can only be 3 winners to claim the prizes. Now, in 3rd place, we have this saber by DFC Props. This is a lovely clean photo and a great build. You will receive the photo edit done by myself. We can collab on that a bit later on. In 2nd place, I'm receiving the Jedi Path, which is a fantastic little book, which I was just reading again. It's well worth delving into and getting if you don't have it. But the winner of this one is Boy Wonder Cosplay Photography with this entry. Again, a lovely photo and a great build. And now when I say it was close at the top, the scoring system that we used, there was 1 point in it. Just 1 point in it. It was very, very close at the top. But the winner of the £20 lightsaber challenge is Top Out Props with this entry. Again, the judges like the creativity and the photo. And of course, you will receive the Black Series Stormtrooper helmet, which I will get posted as soon as possible in this lockdown period. Do enjoy, it's a great prop. Thank you so much for everyone who submitted a saber. It was really great to take your time and build the saber, and it was a pleasure looking through them all. I think we should do this again. We should definitely do another challenge in the future. Like I said, we've passed 4,000 subs now, which is fantastic. Welcome to everyone who's come on board since then. Maybe we'll do another one when we get to 10,000 maybe, so invite all your friends and then we can get cracking on a new challenge then with some more great prizes. An extra special thanks goes to my judges. They all donated their time to look through your entries, and they did a fantastic job whittling down the winners. That was Ace, Holly, Matt, Jai, Gary and Martin. Thank you so much. I will leave all the judges' social info down below, so do go and check them out for some amazing cosplay content. And finally, thank you guys for watching this video. It's been a pleasure, and of course, as always, I will see you in the next video, and until then, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.